Morning, dear children. Today we're going to start with my book of grammar and composition, class 5, chapter number 1, that is kinds of sentences. What are we going to study in that? Kinds of sentences. First, we're going to study about what is a sentence. This group of words that makes complete sense is called as a sentence. A group of words which is making complete sense is called as a sentence. You can say with the example, I am 10 years old. Shiv is very serious about his studies. We will go there tomorrow. These group of words make complete sense and meaning. So it is called as a sentence. You can say, I am a girl. I am a boy. I study in St. Xavier School. My parents are at home. So these words which makes complete sense is called as a sentence. There are 4 types of sentences. Declarative means statement. It can be in assertive as well as negative. Interrogative, it is a question. We ask a question. Imperative, it is a command. Exclamative is your exclamation. That is an exclamation mark. Okay. Let's see here. Sentence, declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. These 4 types we are going to study today. Okay. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. A sentence that is a statement ends with a period is called as declarative. A sentence that gives some directions or command ends with a period is called as imperative. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark is called as an interrogative. A sentence that shows strong feelings ends with an exclamation point or mark is called as an exclamatory sentence. Just see, we are going to study in detail over here. What do you mean by declarative sentence? These sentences state a fact or declare something. They are called as assertive or declarative sentences. They end with a full stop. Now here they have given you with the example, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it is true, it is a fact. My school starts with a prayer. Yeah, even you know that. As well as you can say, every Sunday we have a holiday. So it is a fact, every Sunday we have a holiday. It is declared to you. Or if there are some programs, it is said to you a day before. So it is declared a day before that there is a schedule a meeting for so date. So it is declared beforehand to you. As we used to take a Zoom meeting, we used to send you the links. So we declare that a day before. Now it is put on your Meets app. Every day you have to open that link and you will start with a meeting with your online classes. So it is assertive or declarative and they end with a full stop. They state a fact or a declare something, so they are called as assertive or declarative sentence. Next, that is imperative sentences. These sentences are commands, requests or instructions. What are these? These are the commands. Someone is commanding you. Request or instruction given to you. They are called as imperative sentences. They end with a full stop. First sentence, don't drink cold water. It is an instruction given to you by your parents or by your teachers or your friends or your grandparents. You should not drink cold water. Why? Otherwise you will feel cold. You will get fever. Next is, please leave the room. It's a request because it is said please. Please give me a glass of water. It's a request. Sit down on the stool. It is a command. Sit down on the stool. It is a command to you by a teacher, by your parents, or by anyone. So don't drink cold water. It is an instruction. Please check the door while leaving the house. It is an instruction given to you by your parents. Please leave the room. Please give me a pen. May I have your pen? This is a request. Sit down on the stool. Go out of the class. This is a command. If I say only leave the room is your command. Please, it is there, so it is a request over there. Okay, just see over there. These sentences are commands, requests, or instructions. So they are called as imperative sentences. Next, interrogative sentences. These sentences ask questions, and so they are called as interrogative sentences. They end with a question mark. These sentences ask question, so they are called as interrogative and they end with a question mark. Where were you yesterday? See the question mark. Do you know the latest score? What is your name? Question mark. How old are you? Question mark. So these sentences ask question and they always end with a question mark, so they are called as interrogative sentences. Next is an exclamatory sentences. These sentences express joy or strong feelings. These sentences, what do? They express a joy or strong feelings. Joy, happiness, strong feelings. Ha, hooray. Okay, joy means ha, hooray, I won the match. Wow, what a beautiful flower. What a pretty flower. That's an amazing story. Oh, she's no more. These are the strong feelings. Ouch, I got hurt. These are the strong feelings, okay? So they are called as exclamatory sentences. They always end with an exclamation mark. Next is a phrase. The little squirrel, here, a collection of words that may have nouns and other words, but not a subject or a verb, is called as a phrase. A collection of words that may have nouns. There are nouns, there are words, but no subject nor a verb is called as a phrase. Just see over here the examples. The little squirrel was caught in the trap. The highlighted words do not make complete sense. They don't have a subject nor a verb, so it is called as an phrase. In the afternoons, I sleep for 2 hours. In the afternoons, I sleep for 2 hours. So, in the afternoons is not making complete sense. No subject, no verb. I exercise to remain fit. To remain fit. Again, it's not making complete sense because they don't have a subject nor a verb. So the highlighted words make some sense. They're making some sense but not complete sense. So they don't even have a subject or a verb. So it is called as a phrase. My dear children, you have completed the chapter again, and I'll give you some worksheet. You have to solve that in your notebook. I've started with the revision again. Thank you. Have a great day.